My name is Yaniv, and I'm from Fixefy, one of the partners in Fixefy. I'm acting as a CRO, but as a startup company, we all do many things. So we do have a title, but you can find me one day doing a QA and the other day doing BizDev.
So tell me about what Fixefy does.
So Fixefy is an agentic AI and AI platform for expenditure control. Okay, so if you are a manufacturing company that rely or outsource your logistic to third party, whether it's an ocean freight, ground, rail, air, couriers, carriers, Fixefy is the right solution for you, because working with multiple, sometimes hundreds of vendors across multiple business lines, staying in control and on top of your spend, that's a difficult task.
So let's talk about that then. So
Let's talk.
Obviously procurement teams struggle with loads and loads of disconnected data across operations and finance. Why has this been a persistent issue, and how is Fixefy helping to solve it?
One of our missions that we flagged is to try and close the gap between what's happening in procurement or finance to what's happening in operation or the logistics. If you would ship the same container from China to the US over and over again, different prices. Why? Because it's kind of like embedded within logistics that there would be so many other things happening along the way, whether it's detention, demurrage, storage, drivers that has to stop over. Logistics speak with them day in and day out, but they speak with them on the email, text messages, phone conversation. Procurement doesn't know about that. They get an invoice, which is not according to the rates in the contract. What do they do? How would they validate? So even system-wise, not just like process-wise, there's a big gap. That's why procurement struggles to really understand what is my true landed cost.
So how is Fixefy kind of coming in and helping to solve that problem?
So number one, we all need to, and we're speaking here at the event for the last 2 days, a lot about data, a lot about AI. And data, it's information, it's power. So if you are able to capture the information that you have, procurement, very good, right? They have the ERP. This is where the inventory, this is where the shipment, the delivery, the TMS hold additional information about the tracking and planning and communication with the carrier. That's perfect. That's system. Now, what about when the carrier communicated? We said over emails and sending images, PDF, spreadsheet. That's what I call unstructured data. Now, if you really want to be in control of your expenditure, you need to take the structured data from system as well as the unstructured data, combine them all, and build the story of what happened for that shipment. If you would know that, then this is where you can connect the dot and understand for a single shipment, who does what, when, and why. And if you hold the T's and C's or your contract and your rates, that's how you can monetize this and even translate it to what's the fair value that I should actually pay. And that's what we do. And we build a very sophisticated AI platform that knows how to imagine that a pipeline that you throw all the data, you don't need to work on this, whether it's the rate, the contract, the invoices, the supporting document, the driver reports, the bill of lading, everything. You throw it in, and we have a team of agents, right? Everyone speaks about agents. So a team of agents that know how to digitize it, knows how to scrape or extract this information, and then build the story that I tell you, translate it to what's valid and what's not. And if they do find some discrepancy, this is when another agent kick in and doing the dispute resolution or the reconciliation until things are getting sorted and you get the credit back. And that's what we have developed.
Fabulous. And my final question then is, what is next for Fixefy?
For us, next is to embrace more and more technology and help organizations that have this FOMO of not having an AI or wants to have an AI, but they are fear of, hey, what if the data is going to leak? What if my IP is going to leak? Is to embrace this as early as we can and use the data. It's gold. And just use it to help, to expose to organization what's going on, how do they operate. For me, it's exciting enough.